Hi, boys and girls. Can I tell you how much I miss you guys? This is so weird recording videos for you to watch. If there was ever a funky dunky day, today is the funky dunkiest day of all. You are going to do school on the computer, and I am going to help you with these videos, okay? Mom and dad might have to help you too the first couple days, but I think you'll get the hang of it because you are all rock stars. All right, so let me tell you about our day. You did your fine motor bins, your morning work, right? Your morning bins. Now you're going to go through and read some books on the computer and watch some videos like we do in class. You're going to see me make an anchor chart and be kind of silly. And then you're going to do centers. And for centers today, you're going to do iReady reading. You can do that. You're going to do a drawing activity where we draw just like we've done in the class room before. And you're going to do, look, I already forgot. See, isn't it like being in class with me? Oh, a really fun ocean science experiment that I will show you how to do two different ways. So if you only have paper at your house, you can do it one way. And if you have the other stuff, you can do it the other way. So that's going to be our day. Then I want you to go outside, get your wiggles out, take a break, have recess. Don't make a mess in mommy daddy's house, right? And then you're going to come back in and do some math with Miss Paranzino. Won't that be cool? Okay. I miss you guys. Big virtual hug. Be nice to mommies and daddies. They're trying their best. I know this is hard, and I can't wait to see you as soon as I can. All right, friends. Here we go.